Yesterday we told you how Greece is breaking the contagion chain in Europe. Today we have a detailed report on another European country, Finland. Its coronavirus death toll is lower than Greece, 64. Its total number of cases is a little over 3,000, though its population is comparable to Italy. Compare this with the rest of the European countries. Most of them have fatalities going up to thousands. What is it that is working so well for Finland? What is Helsinki's weapon against the Wuhan virus? Our next report has the answers.
If the Greek model is about speed, Finland is all about preparedness. The world's happiest country has not let the Wuhan virus scar its smile. While Finland's neighbors are scrambling to bury the dead, Helsinki has capped its coronavirus fatalities at 64. Its total number of COVID-19 cases are just a little over 3,000. This is for a population of 5.5 million people. Wonder what's worked for Finland? Let's call it the 3 S. Stockpile, swift action, and staying with the times. Experts call Finland the prepper nation of the Nordics, a country that's always prepared for a catastrophe. Why? Because Finland has an enviable stockpile. Surgical masks, protective equipment, medical supplies, you name it. And Finland has it. Its agricultural coffers are filled too. Oil, grains, raw materials. The country has it all. Did you know that Finland has been stocking since the Second World War? The details of its stockpile are not out in the open. No one knows how many masks the country has, or where they are stored. But we can tell you that when the coronavirus hit Finland, it leaned on its stockpile. That too for the first time in 75 years. The masks were old, but they were functioning. What also worked for the Nordic country was swift action. Finland closed its schools and colleges as early as the second week of March. It also banned public gatherings and imposed a travel restriction. The government of Sanna Marin focused on staying with the times. It roped in 1,500 social media influencers. They were tasked with sharing coronavirus information. The government also educated the masses on social media do's and don'ts. Fake news, panic posts, etc. being classified under the latter. Finland sent the right message. The United Nations has highlighted another factor: trust. It said that the Finnish community trusts each other and its institutions. This makes the country resilient in the face of a catastrophe. Experts say trust can help a country bounce back from an emergency. The pandemic has doubled up as a litmus test. The result, Finland is already easing corona-related restrictions. Finland is lifting roadblocks in and around its capital, Helsinki. By the 13th of May, the country plans to open its schools and public places. While the world's richest countries scramble for supplies, Finland says its public healthcare system has enough resources to treat all patients across the country. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.